Hello friends. Well, after losing the internet for over a week, it is nice to be able to be back online and see you guys again. Today I'm going to be taking down this deck because I'm hoping in the near future we'll be able to build a new one. So it's all rotted out and it looks terrible. It's a huge eyesore. We can't even use it. We can't step on it. All the decking boards are rotted. I actually a couple of months ago I went up there and I put my whole leg through the deck. So fortunately I didn't get injured, but you know, it's just not a safe solution for us. What do you guys think? Look younger? Give myself a haircut, cleaned up a bit. All right, hopefully I look younger. You know, I was feeling really old with all that gray. I mean, still gray, but there's less gray, right? Full beard was just getting to be too much, and it's summer, so it's getting a little hot and everything. But it looks like from the way it feels right now, the sun is still like behind the tree over here. So I'm in the shade. I want to try and get this done before the sun comes around because it's going to get very, very hot. I could feel the humidity already, and I'm in the shade, so I think it's going to be a hot day today. So anyways, that's what we're going to do today, guys. We're going to take down this deck as much as I can because eventually I want to get paint and I want to repaint all of this concrete all along the side of the house, and I'll have an easier time getting to it once the deck is gone. Alrighty, so let's get started. I have to find a place for the wood. I guess I'll put it over here. As long as we get some tomatoes, we'll be happy. It's a very pretty day. If it wasn't so humid, looks like it just a breeze just picked up just now. Just a slight breeze. Hi, love. I'm putting in a trench.
Oh, so the water can settle in the middle and they have more water. That's a good idea.
Yeah, that's how I saw it done when I was growing up in Italy, you know,
Yeah.
spending my summers in the country. This is what I saw the farmers do.
Yeah,
for
so
their
that the water
tomatoes.
can sit and they can absorb it as much as
Yeah.
they need.
Yeah, because the leaves feel a little dry, but I think it's just because.
Yeah, they're curling up a little bit.
Yeah.
It's been really like warm.
Yeah, I mean, you know, after a while you get used to it. You acclimate. I mean,
Yeah.
it's humid. That's the only thing, you know. And had to put some bug spray because.
The little cherry tomatoes are coming.
Yes.
It's nice.
Yes.
Oh, look at the little. Is this a burl on the stick? That's interesting.
Yeah.
We can always throw also some hay on top of it to try and help keep the moisture around the base.
No, I think this will be fine. I'm just kind of going through it and make sure it's got a good depth because the water will settle there and they can get it whenever they need it throughout the day. They will absorb that water that's sitting there
Right.
because it will puddle, you know?
Yeah.
So I put some sticks in also there, you see, for extra added
For
support.
the added support.
I mean, I don't have anything else to work with, so, but it's
Yeah,
fine.
We'll need
You
to
know,
add
it'll
one
be
more
fine.
on the side of this one because she's already leaning too.
Which one?
This one right here. You need a
Oh
stick.
yeah, I need to put another stick there. I'm not done. Yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
I know.
You're
I know
right.
you're
I
not
missed
done,
that one.
baby.
I have to get it. Yeah.
It's looking good. And the ones over here, I mean, the Roma tomatoes are really coming out nicely.
Yeah. Which ones were these? Let me see.
These were like the salad tomatoes.
German Johnson.
Yeah, these are like salad tomatoes, and then we have the one cherry tomato that was in the mix by mistake.
Yeah, but that's fine.
Yeah, I
You
like
can
cherry
throw them in the
tomatoes.
salad. Yeah.
Yeah, we have another cherry tomato over there in that one. It's the tallest one. I think the black cherry tomato, so that should be kind of interesting.
Yes. So I repositioned the dirt a little bit. So it's giving out a little bit here. See how it's bowing? It's just the wood that's bowing. That one's doing the same thing. We'll just have to wait and see. If it starts falling apart, then I'll do something else. But, you know.
Looks good. We look like we have a real Italian garden with the sticks in the ground, the way they do it over there. Nothing fancy, just what nature gives us.
Right. Yeah, it is what it is. So, and I'm actually having a hard time finding little sticks because those hold better than the big ones.
Yeah.
Because the big ones are too heavy. They don't have enough to
go down.
To grab a hold of, and we still have the cardboard underneath there. So, it's all right. I mean, I tried to make a spike and everything. It's just not really working. So I have to find one more stick.
I'm gonna go check on the creatures.
Yeah. he jumped, by the way. Honey, he's in the run. He jumped.
Oh, yeah, and
He jumped back and forth like 3 times. So be careful.
I see, yeah, I see all of the girls came in and the boys are, and he's out.
You see him?
Yeah. So he jumped.
Huh?
He went into the outside run. Now he's just laying there by the wall and the girls are all sleeping.
Yeah.
This fig just looks amazing.
Yes.
Those leaves are taking a good root, this one. The other
Yeah.
one's having a little bit of difficulty, but that's okay as long as we have one. But then we can always take cuttings from the big ones and throw them.
Right. Yeah, the fig, that one is looking great. The other one, I think the chicken keeps pecking at it. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, okay.
One little thing of cilantro that came out.
Yeah,
And that's it. Just little baby cilantro.
I think this will help retain the water a lot better. It's still very moist.
Well, I watered it this morning.
Right. The leaves feel a little dry, you know? We have to give the leaves water.
Yeah, I do. I might not have wet them as much as I should have this morning though, because I didn't want them to burn with the sun since it felt already warm.
Kind of clean them up a little bit. We have to look up and see what the, you know, the bastards and the ones we have to remove. This one here,
She's
it's not
beautiful.
going to hold very long. I have to put something thinner and longer in there. This year, listen, this year, this is how
We
it
get
is.
what we get this year. We're happy with what we have. We start first of all, we started late in the season. We did not get any seeds going in a greenhouse
No.
or anything like that.
Right.
You know, so that right there set us back. See, I think this is a one that can be cut off. Like this could be made into like a tomato clone. See how it's coming out of the little thing here?
Yeah, I think you're right. I just want to double check before I start ripping the plants up, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
I love the smell of the tomato leaves. Like I love it. I love it.
you do.
I do. I do.
You do, Topurikat. You see the tomatoes on this one? There's some nice tomatoes.
Yeah.
By the way, I put a bunch of compost down in the box there for the other potatoes.
Uh-huh.
We want to do the sweet potatoes, right?
Yeah, we want to do the sweet potatoes.
Okay, so
We have like 3 sweet potatoes that we can plant that already have the slips growing.
okay. Thing shaking. There you go.
I dare you dig a little deeper. It makes you feel a little stronger. Who knows what you may find? You'll see in your own time. It might just take a little longer. It all goes by so slowly. Ooh, you waited your whole life. Your days turn into nights. Now let the river flow deep into the ocean. All the time you are moving with emotion. Let the river flow. Can you hear it whisper? It goes by so slow, like a solitary drifter. How dare you run a little faster? One step, you are on your way now. Embrace all your weakness. Therein lies the secret. The water's never gonna drain out. It all goes by so slowly. Ooh, you waited your whole life. Your days turn into nights. Now let the river flow deep into the ocean. All the time you are moving with emotion. Let the river flow. Can you hear it whisper? It goes by so slow, like a solitary drifter. It all goes by so slowly. Ooh, you waited your whole life. Your days turn into nights. I dare you dig a little deeper. It makes you feel a little stronger. Who knows what you may find? You'll see in your own time. It might just take a little longer. Now let the river flow deep into the ocean. All the time you are moving with emotion. Let the river flow. Can you hear it whisper? It goes by so slow, like a solitary drifter.
if I had to choose between a rotted deck and no deck, I'll take no deck, because there's no point keeping that rot. So, what do you think, guys? Looks better? I think it looks better. I'd rather see that than the rotted wood. But now I'll be able to patch all the holes with cement and then paint it, and it'll be a lot easier, and then I can power wash the whole thing. So it's coming, work in progress. I just finished having my coffee. Pink's in the house working. She started her day. So yesterday you saw me take down this deck. Doesn't that look better, guys? I mean, it was all rotted out and it had to go. Fortunately, we still have the concrete slab with the steps, so we'll be able to get out the back door safely now without stepping on a board that's going to give. I had that happen once already. We were not using the back door at all. So now I'll be able to use the back door if I want to and come out here. Eventually we'll build a new deck. And what we like to do is like to put an addition with the roof and expand our kitchen and then extend the deck the full length of the cabin. So, but that's for the future. And as soon as we're able to, we will do that. I know it's, the wrong time of the year, and we've had these for months sitting on our porch. So I went ahead and finally put the last 2 plants of blueberries. And this is a raspberry fall gold. So if we get those, I bet they're delicious. I never had these. It's very, very warm, guys. Very warm. I'm almost thinking, I'm looking forward to fall. I don't like the humidity. I don't like the humidity one bit. So, I've already changed shirts once this morning, and this one is already getting pretty soaked. So, I'm gonna have to go back inside and change shirt again in a little bit. But, it's just the way it is.